I've been walking this earth for 94 years, 94 winters, 94 summers, 94 chances to learn what truly matters. And I'm going to tell you something that might surprise you. The secret to a long life isn't about what you start doing. It's about what you stop. My name is Opal June. I've buried my mother, my father, 3 sisters, and my husband. I've stood beside more graves than birthday cakes. And after a while, you start noticing patterns. The ones who left early, it wasn't just bad luck. It wasn't just bad genes. It was habits. Habits they refused to let go of. And if you listen closely, one of these habits might be hurting you right now. 1. I stopped eating after the sun went down. This sounds old-fashioned, doesn't it? My grandmother used to say, "Child, let your stomach rest when the sun rests." I laughed at her. For years, I'd eat supper, then sit in front of the television with crackers, maybe ice cream, maybe leftovers. It felt harmless, but I started waking up tired. My joints ached. My body felt heavy, like it was carrying something it shouldn't. Then one day I realized, your body heals at night. It cleans, it repairs, it resets. But it can't clean the house if it's still cooking dinner. So I stopped. Last bite by 6, 7 in summer. After that, just water or tea. Within weeks, I woke up lighter, clearer, younger. Sometimes the most powerful medicine is simply stopping. 2. I stopped arguing with fools. Oh, this one took years off my life. I used to be a fighter. If someone said something wrong, ignorant, unfair, I had to correct them. I had to win. Do you know what that gave me? High blood pressure, sleepless nights, and not one changed mind. Not one. You cannot empty the ocean with a teaspoon. People believe what they want to believe. Now, when someone says something foolish, I smile, I nod, I let it go. That's not weakness, that's protection. Your peace is wealth. Every argument you refuse to join adds interest to your life. 3. I stopped sitting so much. I never went to a gym, never lifted a weight in my life, but I move. I walk to the mailbox, I garden, I stand when I talk on the phone, I hang my laundry. My husband, God rest his soul, sat in his recliner from morning to night. He said he was resting. He was gone at 71. The body is like a creek. If the water moves, it stays clear. If it sits still, it grows sick. You don't need a trainer, you need motion. If you're sitting more than you're living, you're fading faster than you need to. 4. I stopped holding grudges. This one almost broke me. My youngest sister, Loretta, she hurt me deeply. The kind of hurt that changes how you look at someone. For 15 years, I carried that pain like a stone in my pocket. She slept fine. I didn't. The grudge wasn't hurting her. It was poisoning me. Stress, tension, that tightness in your chest. They call it cortisol. I call it slow death. One day I picked up the phone. I forgive you. We cried. We never spoke of it again, and I felt 20 pounds lighter. Your body cannot heal what your heart refuses to release. Forgiveness isn't about them. It's survival for you. 5. I stopped feeding my mind fear before bed. The news, murders, disasters, anger, noise. I used to watch it every night before sleep, and then I wondered why I couldn't rest. Your mind chews on whatever you feed it before bed. Now, I turn the television off early. I read, I pray, I sit outside and watch the sky change colors. I give my mind peace, and I sleep 8 hours every night. Guard your mind at night the way you guard your front door. Not everything deserves entry. 6. I stopped trying to please everyone. For most of my life, I was a yes woman. Church needed help? Yes. Family needed money? Yes. Neighbor wanted to talk for 3 hours? Yes. And inside, I was exhausted, resentful, invisible. When you say yes to everyone, you slowly say no to yourself. And that kind of self-abandonment, it ages you. Now I say no, kindly, respectfully, but firmly. The people who truly love you will understand, and the ones who don't, they were benefiting from your exhaustion. Protect your energy. It's more valuable than money. 7. I stopped waiting to live. This one hurts the most. I always thought happiness was later. When I finish school, when I get married, when the kids grow up, when we retire. Later, later, later. My husband and I planned a trip to California for 30 years. He died 3 months before we were supposed to go. My best friend and I dreamed of sitting on the beach together after retirement. She never made it. Life doesn't wait for your perfect timing. Wear the nice dress, take the trip, eat the good food, say I love you, now. Not someday, now. Because tomorrow is not promised. Not to me at 94, not to you. Final emotional close. I've watched too many people leave this world too soon. Not because life was unfair, but because they wouldn't let go of the things that were slowly stealing it. Late nights, endless anger, bitterness, fear, people-pleasing, waiting. You have more power than you think. You have more time than you think. But only if you stop doing what's draining it. So ask yourself, what do you need to stop? And when you figure it out, don't wait. Because the evening sun, it's beautiful, but it sets faster than you expect.